Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lindsay, founder of PaperSpecs with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. The most effective art is the one that surprises and intrigues with unexpected movement, such as the kinetic art mobile sculptures made famous by Alexander Calder. So when Pace opened its museum-sized flagship gallery in New York City's Chelsea neighborhood featuring Calder's work in September 2019, the invitation would have done the artist proud. You see, when the two parts of this creation come together, the experience is nothing short of magic. Designed by New York's NR2154 and produced by the wizards at DataGraphic, this creative invitation leans on the architectural look of the actual building, combined with mimicking lenticular printing by using the movement of the invitation inside a die-cut sleeve. There are a lot of elements coming together in this invitation, but it all stands and falls with the extremely precision of the die-cut windows and how they register with the actual invitation inside. The invitation itself is actually 3 sheets of Nina folding board bright white, triplex laminated together that are viewed through the opening of a classic crest epic black sleeve riddled with strategic die cuts to transform the phrase "A New Home for Pace Gallery" into 540 W25 New York opening September 12. As if that wasn't enough, the particulars of the invitation were hot foil stamped using 7 different colored foils, including 4 to highlight the names of the artists featured at the show space. Naturally, with a piece like this, there's a lot to be proud of. A design that echoes the artistic nature of the company sending it, the effective way this creative invitation communicates the pertinent information, and that wonderful interactive component. This, combined with its hand-pleasing chunkiness and eye-catching interactivity, makes this Pace Gallery invitation something that will not all be out of place in the gallery itself. Interactivity is definitely one of the top 5 print design trends we see at the moment. If you are a PaperSpecs Pro member, get more insights into this trend in our top 5 print design trend video series we created just for you. Find it at paperspecs.com under the Pros Only tab. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel. Of course, it would be amazing if you shared with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.